August the 23rd, 2020. Guys, this is going to be a short update because of changes, and some of the videos that we're going to see in the next couple of days that I do will be short updates on problems that we're seeing with the forecast. Right now we're seeing 2 hours ago, it is 9:02 p.m., but at 7 p.m. the storm was located just south of, if you put a parallel in here with Lake Okeechobee, right there. Then it should have been by now 9 o'clock headed due north and west. You can see the track there. But if we look at the actual radar, guys, that's not what's happening, and that's why I'm keeping the video short. Shout out to my friends along the Gulf Coast. We are now at 9 p.m., 9:03 p.m. on my clock. And the storm is now well past the parallel with Lake Okeechobee, just to give you a reference. And it's still moving to the north and northeast. A few days ago, I started talking about this front that was moving in this direction. Still, same thing. We're seeing that wind shear pattern going over the Gulf Coast states and moving north and northeast. So now, 2 hours later than the predicted turn, we have not turned. Will it turn? It may. But that's going to change the path of where it comes ashore. If it does not turn, if it follows the path that it looks like it's following now as a Cat 1 hurricane, guys, it's going straight into the Alabama and Florida panhandle. Again, just pointing out the fact that the model at 7 a.m. is not matching the radar at 9 a.m. and where the storm is supposed to be. Again, check this out. Now, if we look into the out into the Atlantic a little further, at Tropical Storm Laura, it's up to 60 miles per hour now. It was at 50 in the last update. But guys, this thing is dropping below Cuba. And what that's going to do is not deteriorate the storm as far as crossing over the islands and the mountains. And if you look at this update here, again, wind 60 miles per hour, moving at 21 miles an hour. The center is going to stay south of Cuba. And that's going to allow more and more strengthening instead of the blocking pattern. Now, it's supposed to come ashore as a Category 2. We know they're interacting. These two storms are close enough to be interacting with each other. And because of the fact that it's staying south of Cuba, it may become stronger than a Cat 2. Here is our Navy model still doing that loop that we were showing, talking about the Fujihara effect. And the Canadian model, guys, which is at the very bottom of the image in light green, shows the same thing. Now, again, the storm is moving in this direction as we speak. Now 2.5 hours past the predicted time of the left turn. The CMC model, Canadian model, is showing a loop also. Now, again, at 8 p.m., the storm was already supposed to be turning, coming ashore Monday, tomorrow afternoon, 2 p.m., or very close to coming ashore. But it has not made the turn yet. Will it? It may. But with all honesty, I have to do this video just to show you the actual direction. As these videos will be short, update, and precise over the next few days, they need to be. It's a heads up. Be safe.